It must have been one of the hottest days of the year, but the people from the Bantey Meanchey community came from all over the province to participate in our focus group. We had travelled there to implement Oxfam's rapid care analysis tool, designed to gather evidence and promote the recognition of unpaid care work and identify ways to reduce the time and labour spent on household chores and caring for children and elders. We want to increase women's empowerment and participation in skills training, such as Good Return's Consumer Awareness and Financial Empowerment program. It marks the start of the journey towards awareness raising and the fight for gender balance in Cambodian households. The focus groups identified the most common caring tasks, such as cooking and cleaning, and how they were distributed among men and women. It's about starting the conversation between men and women to identify lengthy and problematic tasks and how they can balance the tasks equally to allow women, who stereotypically bear more of the caring responsibilities, to have more opportunity for education or employment. At Good Return, we want women to have the time and opportunity to empower themselves. Lack of time is a common reason for women to drop out of training programs. So, we will continue to empower women and educate men on the importance of balancing for better.